We will make America strong again. We will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again. God bless you and good night. I love you.
You know, it's just awfully good that someone with the temperament of Donald Trump is not in charge of the law in our country.
Because you'd be in jail.
Secretary Clinton.
And my whole concept was to make America great again. We're going to make great trade deals. We're going to have a strong border. We're going to bring back law and order. And I look forward to doing it. It's called Make America Great Again. Hillary Clinton attacked those same women and attacked them viciously. 4 of them are here tonight. One of the women, who is a wonderful woman, at 12 years old, was raped at 12. Her client, she represented, got him off, and she's seen laughing on 2 separate occasions, laughing at the girl who was raped. I am going to instruct my Attorney General to get a special prosecutor to look into your situation, because there has never been so many lies, so much deception.
So folks, here's what happens. I will call up Terry, the president. I guess I have to do it myself. I know it's not.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. We love you. Thank you very much. We're going to win. We're going to win so big. Thank you very much, everybody.